How might we rebalance compensation and measurement systems to provide incentives for long-term value creation along with short-term performance? Christopher. Christopher, the first thing, there is no such thing separately. See, your question says long-term value creation and the short-term performance is too separate. No. Please understand, being is long-term value creation, doing is short-term performance. That's all. If there is a problem in doing, there is a problem in being. If there is a problem in being, there will be problem in doing. These two are not two separate things. What is long-term value creation? Understanding and internalizing, spiritually realizing the importance and the method of the short-term performance is long-term value creation. Understanding, internalizing, philosophically realizing the importance of short-term performance is long-term value creation. Why you should perform in short term, why you should immediately deliver, why you should be productive. I tell you again and again and again, human beings suffer with the concept, why should I be productive, responsible, working? This is what way it is going to add to my spiritual life. Array, you don't understand. Only when you perform, when you create, take the responsibility, your own understanding about you raises. Your own idea about you raises. There is no other way. Only when you take the responsibility, contribute and make difference in others' lives, either directly or you do the actions which makes difference in others' life, you have a right understanding about you. What is long-term value creation? It is nothing but creating the right understanding and internalization. I can give you hundreds of examples where if the right understanding, philosophical realization is not there, the delivery also won't be there. Even a small action like morning you get up and make coffee for yourself or for your family, have philosophical internalization. Even the reason for that very small act, think and philosophically internalize. Why should I do? What is the need? If you understand that, naturally, as a basic natural evolution process, your mind will start saying, how better I can make this coffee. Understand? By nature, you are a person expanding. If you are not expanding, you are not philosophically convinced. There is something seriously wrong with your inside. Long-term value creation is nothing but philosophically internalizing, understanding, realizing the short-term performance. When you philosophically internalize and realize every action you need to perform, simply the long-term value creation also will happen and the short-term performance will happen. Every day, by your nature, you will ask, how can I better my short-term performance? It is nothing but non-internalization and continue to live with the hypocrisy of non-internalization. I tell you, if you philosophically internalize the necessary for the short-term performance and build the long-term values, even if you are not part of the Sangha, or if any fear and greed attacks you, you will not compromise with that. You will go on performing because performing is life.